The All-Terrain Rollator Walker R10 is built to provide stability and durability with its reinforced frame, supporting up to 350 pounds. With adjustable handle heights, this walker accommodates users ranging from 5 feet, 4 inches to 6 feet, 5 inches, ensuring a comfortable fit for a wide range of individuals. Equipped with 10-inch front and 8-inch rear wheels, the walker offers excellent grip and traction on various surfaces, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The rollator's folding design, complete with a buckle mechanism, allows it to be compactly stored in just 3 seconds, making transportation and storage a breeze. Dual brakes on the walker provide enhanced safety, allowing for controlled descents and secure stops, with an anti-skid wheel pattern to prevent slipping. Lucif offers a lifetime warranty on the metal frame, providing peace of mind with excellent customer support and easy installation resources.